Great Britain versus the Soviet Union. In 1903, George Jackson Churchward designed the first British 2-8-0, the 2800 class for Great Western Railway. The 2-8-0 replaced the widely utilised 0-6-0 type. Construction of the class continued until 1942, and some of the 164 2800s built remained in service until the mid-1960s. Russian workhorse. Introduced in 1912, the outside cylindered E-Class 0-10-0 or 0-10-0s went on to become the world's most numerous class. By 1947, 13,000 had been built, and they played a major part in Russia's massive freight operations. At the peak, 250,000 loaded freight wagons were moved each day.